I passed the licensure examination for teachers last September 2020. So much of me, later na lang. So, ready na po tayo makinig? Alright, so, again, good morning everyone. Welcome to CDSCA School Year 2024-2025. So, of course, bagong simula at sana bagong buhay binanggay natin our senior high school students particularly. Kasi, yung mga attitudes natin, personality, behavior na nung grade 10, medyo ibahin na natin na itong senior high school kasi to tell you honestly, the setup and the environment in senior high school is far different from your junior high school. Una-una, pag sila natin senior high school, medyo na tayo papunta na sa adulthood. Diba? So, teenage pa rin naman tayo, but of course, papunta na rin tayo. So, sana, we should act the way we are expected to be. Yeah. We should act the way we expected to be. So sana ganun din po yung behavior nyo. So, ayan. Ay, dito lang pala. Alright, so first thing, we have the school vision.